Good morning. We are having Saturday 10:41 a.m. We are going. Beautiful weather, just beautiful. It's around 22 degrees. And for today we have around 520 kilometers to do to the border, which will be easy. It will be really easy. Today we can chill out. Look at that! We are having some morning line to Calafat. Nice, nice. I guess that right now this line is not so long as last time, but still, it's fucked up. Yeah, to be honest, it's just fucked up. I'm wondering if Bulgarian people will make parking, like, you know, the same parking like it's on Rusa or Turkish border. It would be the best solution. I mean, they have a place, right? They have a place to make it. To be honest, I don't know how long this line is. I was not checking maps, but probably like around 10 kilometers. That's the standard for this area. Here is even double. Yeah, those guys are sleeping. Oh, you know, that's the worst when you are running out of time in line and you have to sleep on the road. I don't like it. Yeah, because then you are basically losing 9 hours or 11. And when you are on the parking and you are sleeping 9 hours, you are waiting anyway, right? So, yeah. Oh. That was a Rolls, you know? That was a Rolls passing. Wow. Those guys here are cleaning this road. That's nice. That's nice. They are cleaning, you know, because you remember how many trash we have seen on the other side in Romania. So they are cleaning. That's very nice. That's how it should be. Wow, this line is going and going. There is a classic double line. Some guys from the city and the rest of guys from the highway. As you have seen right now, we have 100 kilometers to Montana, and we are going there. Yeah, we are going there. We have to pass this city, and the line of trucks is over. Yeah. Okay guys, look, we are entering the highway. a small part of the highway, slowly. Now there is actually a sign that there is a highway here, because last time when I was here there was no sign and I almost missed this entrance here. But now it's okay. I guess train is not coming. Otherwise it would be red. I'm wondering if there is some new part of the highway open, or is it the same as before, just, you know, like a few kilometers. But still, it's better than nothing, yeah? It's better than nothing. And I think it's going to be 13 kilometers of this highway right here. Nice, nice highway. Look at this highway. Look at this view. Those mountains. Let's put cruise control and let's go. Look, here it is, the first speed bump on our way. The first one. Let's slow down. And yes, smoothly, smoothly. We are out of the highway after those 13 kilometers, and look how green it is. Look how green, how nice. Nice homes. Old fashioned, you know, old style. Vintage, right? Vintage. Some of them looks like abandoned, but I guess they are not. They're just a bit rusty, you know. Like, it happens. What kind of village it was? Skomila. Okay. And now we have to climb and climb. Shit, speed bump, speed bump. Okay, we got this. Ooh. Have you seen a sign that it will be a speed bump? Because I don't know if I missed it or not. I will watch this video again and I will just check if there is a sign that this speed bump is here. Look at this view, at those hills in front of us. Everything is green, it's so nice. And that's the beauty of Bulgaria. Almost 1 p.m. We are making our way slowly through Bulgaria. Weather is nice, 26 degrees. I have still around 400 kilometers to the border. How many kilometers to the highway? I have no idea. Maybe 60, maybe 50, I'm not sure. Look at this massive mountain. God damn it. It looks so nice. It's so big. I wish to go up there. Oh look, there's a person walking. It's a lady. Look at this view. There are wild horses out there. Nice, nice. That's what I like in Bulgaria, you know, plenty of wilderness, you know, of untouched nature, or even villages, and villages that are basically surrounded by nature itself. That's really nice in this country. And we have train tracks. Okay. Oh, I will show you this car here. Like, many times I failed to capture it. I will show you right now. I wonder if this is a car from a real crash or not. But that's a nice warning, yeah? Warning for people. Look at this. We are entering highway, finally. After 3 hours of driving, we still have 300 35 kilometers to the border, but now finally just highway. Look at this view. Nice. Perfect weather. We are approaching Sofia, and look, there is a bit different weather here. Some clouds, I guess some rain, and yeah, 300 kilometers left to the border, and I have 7 kilometers to a petrol station, which is like 4 minutes of driving, and I'm driving 4 hours 20 minutes. So 4:24, 4:25 we should be there, and I hope there will be place to park. Otherwise I will just park on the highway, because I don't want to cross the time. 4:27 of driving time, and I parked. I got a coffee. That's a big one. I added some milk to coffee. Look at this spoon. Look, it's so nice. I have found in Poland that kind of spoon. Nice. I really like texture on this cup. It's nice. It's almost 45 minutes. We have 236 kilometers to the parking at the border. So we will be there. Probably at 7 p.m. Look, can you see the rainbow? It was raining here, I don't know when, but very recently. Road is still wet. We have 34 kilometers to the border, and there are some rainy clouds over border and maybe even over Turkey. It's raining, so I guess I won't have to clean my windshield. That's nice. That's the point where usually police is standing and letting trucks go further, but there is no police because there are no trucks. We are going to slow down a bit. Casino, parking, border, everything is visible from here. And let's keep braking. Let's brake a bit. I'm waiting on some smaller parking just next to the big one, because I couldn't find a place. So the plan for now is to make some food, to prepare some food, to make some order here with my clothes, and then I can just chill out. That's a nice view on this casino. And if you are wondering why I'm here on this small parking, I couldn't find a place to fit into a normal one, and there are like, look, that's the main big parking. This is a small one. Here is a medium one, and here is also a medium one. This and this are shit, because from here it's far away to a shop, From here it's also far away to a shop. This is okay, because I can go to a shop, restaurant and so on. Obviously toilets and showers are everywhere, but I mean like a shop, yeah. So I'm here, and yeah. We have almost 10:20 p.m. I took a shower. I was working out before. Now just protein and maybe some meat, and I don't know if I will be able to go sleep, because last night I went sleep almost at 3 a.m. Pager was just beeping. Fuck. Oh, holy shit. I was thinking that maybe I can cross it now, but I have only 3 hours left of working time. almost 6 a.m. There's a fog or something outside, and it's cold. I had to turn on my parking heater. Let's check what's the temperature outside. It's 12 degrees outside. Shit. I have 30 minutes and I can go. I'm taking 11-hour break because I was like, fuck this shit, I'm not waking up around 3 a.m. to take 9 hours. No, that's not going to happen.